Hello guys, my name is Aman. Today I want to show you one of my AI automation project that is currently I'm working on, and it's a automation project, and it is very useful for the early stage of content creator or who is making videos right now and cannot get enough views on likes on their videos or posts. But what this automation project is going to do, it's gonna solve a lot of it's gonna solve a lot of problem of them, and it's gonna save a lot of time of them also. Without further wasting our time, let's just move to our course and what we have done. uh, First I need to explain you that what this project is all about, then you gonna understand what's the basic purpose of this project. This is a social media kind of manager type. It's gonna manage all of your social media accounts. Suppose you are you have created a content, or you have a post that you want to post on different social media platform like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitch, or whatever the place you want. But what the problem occurs, suppose if you have a video that you want to post on YouTube also, Facebook also, Instagram also, and you want to send the link of the videos to multiple persons also, and you want to post the video in multiple group also. But what the problem occurs that it takes a lot of time of yours, and it is very difficult to do it all. Then what this project is going to do, it's going to save all of your time, and it's going to solve all of your problem. You have to just come to our website, and you have to register for it, and you have to select the feature that you want to use in this. And after that you're gonna just click a single button that it's gonna do all of your works. So without so let's see what is that. It is the early stage of my project, so I have created the automation project for the Facebook only. And what this especially a Facebook automation project do. Suppose uh, you have a post, or you have a video, and you have joined 50 to 100 groups in Facebook, and you want to post your videos in every group. So what is this automation gonna do? It's gonna extract all of your groups that you have joined on Facebook, and it also gonna post the content that you want to post in the group. And what the else it's gonna do, it's gonna also extract the likes, or it's gonna get more likes. And after getting the more likes, it's gonna invite all the people who has recently liked your post, and this process is gonna help you to increase your followers also. So let's just see what it's of capable of. I have given the image that this automation have to post. Let's just run the main code so we can see. Just let's check the what is the Facebook poster.py. mm, uh, we have we want to first post the group, so we have to firstly automate our photo poster for function. So let's just automate that. Let's just run this code. Hmm, okay, see, it's just opening facebook.com, and it's automatically entered the ID and password. And after that is gonna switch into your page that you have created on Facebook. See, it's gonna do all of the works by its own, what I program it to do. And now see, there is a multiple groups that you suppose you have joined 100 groups, then it's gonna extract the that group's ID and that the name of that groups, and put into the text file, which I'm going to show you that how it's gonna put that. See, it's auto scrolling the content, and it's automatically going to extract the all the name of the group, so it's can further move to post. Just see what it's capable of doing. This is just a awesome project, guys. Uh, See, you just click the first group and started to post. Let's see what is capable of doing. Just wait for a minute because see what I selected the image, it's going to post. It's it's posted in one group. Now it's gonna switch into the next group and open to try to post another time. See, Facebook has its own criteria. It does not allow robot to do all the work. So I have given a timestamp to uh, post like a human being, so it cannot detect us. I have to focus on that part also. And I'm using this automation since 5 to 6 months. There is no issue on that it's gonna have effect on your page. So just wait and it's gonna do its work. What is heads to program. Let's wait for one another group. After that, I'm gonna show you the uh, cool part of inviter. Yeah, inviter does a very good role. It just invite the people who like your post in different multiple groups, and this process can increase your followers rapidly. I have tried in one of my friend's page, and uh, she has followers around 1000. After using this automation, she gets nearly 20,000 followers on Facebook right now. So you can imagine how useful this can be for yours. I'm I'm just creating the website of all the things also because I want to deploy it on AWS. See, it's going to post in all the groups. Let's just uh, kill the program. Let's just kill the program. And here, see, all the groups has come automatically extracted from our group sites. Now, now let's run our extractor program. Okay. Let's change the function. Mm, Now let's run the self.group inviter and see what is gonna happen. And you just see is going to do an amazing work. Main.py, just run this main. Again, the process will gonna repeat and see how it's going to invite the all liker of your posts. Again, it's gonna extract all the group. I've given this much of time so Facebook cannot identify that it's the robot is doing. So we just have a little bit of patience to work on it. And don't worry, it's going to you have to come on our website and just click a single button and you can go off to our website and just it will gonna do its work. You don't have to worry that you have to be all time on our website. See, it's extracting all the content that it has to be work on. What is our program is doing, just see. It's just doing all the thing. Again, I have given some timestamp to do its work. Now what this part is gonna do, it's gonna extract all the number of likes. Suppose you have likes 505. See, it's open that, and it's gonna just see how it's clicking the invite button. Automatically it's gonna click the invite button, and after it's click all the invite button, it will gonna close automatically. Okay. uh, See, it's going to close automatically. Now it's gonna open another one. This the process is going on. See, and it will gonna invite all the people who have liked your photo or post. And what is gonna do, it's gonna increase the number of followers. They will receive a notification that you have invited to like your page, and this process will gonna help you to increase your followers. There is no other. Okay, now let's kill the program. After extracting all the likes from this group, okay, it will gonna switch into the another group, and gonna invite all the people in the another group. So uh, it's gonna do its work. It is going to do its work. Okay, let's close it, and let's kill the program. And after I have created this for Facebook, after some time I'm gonna create it for Instagram, YouTube, and Twitch, and for all other social media sites. And I'm gonna provide a dedicated website for that, so you can visit on that. And after visiting on that, you just have to register and select the feature that you want to use. I will gonna provide the uh, another features like comment identifying that you are receiving the bad comment, so it will gonna automatically disable that comment, or you want to delete it, it's will gonna delete it also. So I will provide it in the next phase, and it is the initial phase of my project. So it's that, and thank you for watching the video, and have a great day.